Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
For the Hakka, umbrellas are more than just a rainy day necessity. The oil paper umbrella symbolizes good luck, and its Hakka term sounds like the phrase, with child. Plus, the Chinese character for umbrella looks like a group of people under a shelter, indicating many children under one roof. The historic town of Meinong is the mecca of paper umbrellas, once producing over 20,000 umbrellas a year. The handcrafted oil paper umbrella is also an international symbol of Hakka craftsmanship.
Hello everyone, it's time for Talk About Hakka here on FM 100 Icrt.
Hello， 大家好，我係阿邊個 Leo。Hello，
大家好，我係 Joseph Ling. And I gotta tell you, being in Taiwan, we have to be very proud of Taiwan products. 其實講到台灣啊，一些產品，知名的產品呢，有些我們真的非常的驕傲哦。包括傳統一點的產業，其實我們也要讓它這個發揚光大，要為此呢要驕傲。那有一個就是這個美濃的紙傘。我最近聽說啊，它曾經有這種一年賣2萬把那樣子的，
這很不容易，
很不容易。
尤其以前的紙傘都是用手工做的。
I'm talking about a product that we should be very proud of, and this is developed by the Hakka culture. It's the oiled paper umbrella. And just like, computers and bicycles Taiwan is famous for, we should talk more about this too. 所以这个美浓纸伞顺便再跟大家教一下怎么说。
美浓。
That's the place found in Kaohsiung where these umbrellas originate from, and it's the oiled paper umbrella, 也就是油纸伞。
油纸札。我问你哦。这个伞要怎么写？
伞这个字，对，很多人在里面，有5个人、10个人，很多人就对了，
对，很多人就对，没错。
OK，
这客家人呢，就是希望能够子孙多一点啊，所以呢，这个有字杂哈，对客家人来说是一个很吉利的东西。
Oh, I got it. So in the Hakka culture, they actually defy this superstition because the word 有字杂 sounds like having a lot of kids， 所以是非常吉祥的事情，多子多孙的感觉。
对啊，
很热闹的感觉。
伞是圆形的嘛，圆形又在我们的传统思想里面，它是一个圆满的一个感觉。
OK，
所以你看，这多吉祥、多吉利的一个东西啊。
I like that, and I agree with the Hakka more now. 其实我这样子的话，我要更同意客家人这种想法。The umbrella is round, and round is actually a very lucky shape, if you will. All right, let's review these terms. All right, 美濃, the place where they produce these oiled paper umbrellas. 美濃, and then the oiled paper umbrella, 紙傘。油紙札 And there you have it. It's today's Talk About Hakka.
什麼大家？
按子say張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.